All right, guys, good afternoon. Well, this is gonna be epic or legendary, if I can say that, though. The project of the day, beautiful. Hello, guys. Project of the day, beautiful Volvo S, no, V40. Here you got this almost, well, not that wrong. Looks well. Keep on, you know. Look, as you can see, every single thing is like looks like very well. Looks good. But we got a small issue here. Card won't start. These beautiful bulbs are very good ones, you know. They're very good ones. I am putting it on this my computer. Like literally, I will make this whole process again for you guys. Volvo V40 2016. Here you go. It won't start. You only hear the sound. But that's that. Literally won't start at all. At all. So we basically or technically have to do something about it, because again I try to also even to check the computer. Well, it says that internet is not in, which I try to make it in case that you have any, I don't know, any problem with this that is not diagnosing anything. It says you put it ask and then you put it manual and then you start to put the numbers and all the information, manually. This is 2016 European one, and we're gonna go all the way through V40 and again 2016, and this one is D2, so basically it going for this M66 because it's manual. Yes, and start to make the reading codes and everything. But again, we don't have any start, and now it says that we're gonna make diagnose right now, auto diagnosed, and it will start to read the codes. Again, the car doesn't start. I brought it, I towed it like all the way to my garage. Now is a time to, to choose to find out what is going on. I got some codes in the system right now. And well, basically, what do you do when you don't know what it hurts? You have no power, you have not like anything at all, any information. The battery, I have to take it off. I have to put it from my car. I took the battery because the battery of this car was discharged. So basically, I am trying to decode the whole thing from scratch, like no crank, no turning on, only this zzz, and we know that we have battery. So let's get started and see. Probably I assume, or I'm suspecting, that is the EGR that is open. In one code before, it was showing me that it was the camshaft sensor. I changed it, but nothing happens. So again, one of the things that I was trying to do is to not just getting started with. Again, we have these 4 codes. I will try to go specifically to these ones. It's reading the whole thing, that trouble codes, and then it says like, but these trouble codes are basically like driver central, rear central locking, software incompatibility, ECM, PCM. Basically these are the one that is getting my attention. Shift lever illumination, general electrical faults, blah blah blah. That is not that much. What I'm worried about is I'm gonna try to erase them. Yes, erase everything. I want to erase everything and then give it a start, but as you can see, I cannot take them out. And it's reading again, and I've been doing it all over again. Other than that, it has only these 4 codes. So I will make quick erased. Again, erasing, it doesn't erase anything. You see the 3 codes still here. This code doesn't want to go out, and this code doesn't go out. This driving model information, I was okay. I want to try to go to this one, and let's see if we can find something over here. And again, permanent fault, control module, system in faults, program monitoring fault. Once you go here, no, back, then you put, okay, tell me more about it. Function starting engine does not start, issue when all times. Function text window wiring. Function trip computer does not work. Oh, trip computer does not work. Gouges are problems. Brake pedal, excessive brake pedal effort required. Steering lock does not work. So that I assume that this one came out because how do you call? I brought it like just, like with no battery, nothing, just, and probably that the computer was reading, hey, I'm running, but I am not running, but I am having a problem because I'm moving, I don't have battery, but I still have power, but my engine is not working, which means that something is going crazy. So I'm just gonna shoot a lot of, I don't know, codes as much as possible. From window monitor, position sensor, blah blah blah. We don't care about windows right now. What we care is about the engine. So again, let's get it started. I will get it started by the camshaft. How do you call? The camshaft sensor, which I already changed. And again, nothing comes in. I was thinking, okay, I will open the car, everything is open. I will even wanna try to open this. Okay, now it's closed. I don't know, like now what is next? I will lock the car. Everything went locked. All right, and then now after that I will start to get it back on. Put the key. Probably the immobilizer, the teeth, whatever thing sensor is not working, and I want to give it a try. Look, at this time they should be cranking, no crank at all. So I don't know, we have to start with something. All right, stay tuned. I will give you second part, third part, fourth part, I don't know, until we make it run. Bye.